The 5 fastest hypercars in the world. Speed demons of the road. 1. Koenigsegg Jesko Absolute aims for a record-breaking top speed of 330 miles per hour with its 1,600 horsepower. 2. The Bugatti Bolide boasts a staggering top speed of 310 miles per hour, powered by a quad-turbo W16 engine. 3. Hennessy Venom F5 features a 6.6L twin-turbo V8, reaching an incredible 301 miles per hour. 4. SSC Tuatara achieved a top speed of 282.9 miles per hour, showcasing advanced aerodynamics and engineering prowess. 5. The Rimac Navara combines electric power with 1,914 horsepower, aiming for a top speed of 258 miles per hour. Subscribe for more thrilling automotive content.